Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog and you are watching The Hungry Walk. So today's video guys, magluluto po tayo ng lechon kawali or lechon belly kawali. So tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano po magluto ng napakasarap, crispy outside, super crispy outside na lechon kawali but juicy inside. So ayaw naman po natin ng sobrang tigas. Gusto lang po natin yung mag-crispy pero yung meat po niya sa loob ay sobrang malambot. Parang it melts in your mouth literally. So magpapakulo po muna tayo ng isang galong tubig. Pero depende guys sa mga lulutuin natin. Kasi ngayon I'll be cooking 2 kilos of pork belly. So that's why marami akong tubig na ilalagay. Then of course, let's add 5 cloves of garlic, chopped onions, bay leaf, and then of course black peppercorn and coarse pepper. Then ilalagay na po natin yung ating pork belly na nahugasan na. So since I'll be cooking 2 kilos, so dalawang slab po yan ng pork belly. Ayan. At saka siyempre yung natira, ilalagay po natin din dyan sa, o isasabay na rin po natin sa ating pinapakuluan. Papakuluan naman po natin ito ng 1 hour. So after niya nang nakulo ng mga 1 hour, ang gagawin po natin, ipapatay na po natin yung stove. Tapos hahayaan naman po natin na maluto po ng 30 more minutes yung ating pork. So pag medyo luto na po siya, tapos hahanguin na po natin and then let it cool down for 1 hour. Tapos ilalagay po natin siya sa fridge overnight, or at least kung nagmamadali po kayo, pwede naman po after 4 hours, pwede niyo na po siyang lutuin. So after po siya na kinuha natin sa fridge after overnight, pupunasan po natin siya ng kitchen towels. Make sure na tuyong-tuyo po siya. At ang aking sikreto po para maging crispy ang ating pork kawali ay gagamit po tayo ng tinidor, tapos putas-putasan po natin siya ng maliliit kasi ito po yung sikreto natin na hindi na po siya sikreto. Char! Then after po siya na mabutasan natin, we'll cut it into square para mas lalo po siya maging crispy, para manuot po doon ng flavors habang piniprito, at the same time luto din po yung loob. Then dadagdagan po natin siya ng salt. You can use rock salt or iodized salt, it's fine. Scrub lamang po natin siya para magkaroon po siya ng flavor, loob, at saka sa ilalim din po. Sa labas at saka sa ilalim ng ating pork belly. So habang ginagawa po natin to guys, i-prepare na po natin yung ating kaldero or ang ating wok. Tapos lagyan po natin ng 1 liter na cooking oil. Make sure po na mainit muna ang ating oil bago po natin ilalagay ang ating pork belly. Then, dapat po hanggang na rin po kayong tumakbo kasi matalsig po ito.
Ano Tim? Kaya ako nagulat.
And dahil masyado po siyang matalsig, tatakpan naman po natin ito ng takip. Pero iwanan po natin medyo nakausli o nakaangat po ng konti yung takip para hindi po mahaluan ng moist ng tubig ng ating lechon kawali o yung mantika. Kasi the more you cover it, siyempre hindi po natin ma-achieve yung crispiness na gusto po natin kasi may halo po na po siyang tubig. So, after ng 10 minutes po natin ng pagkaluto, babalik-balik na rin naman po natin ito para both sides po ay maluluto po siya. So, there you go. Ngayon, kung medyo naging golden brown na siya, pwede na po natin siyang hanguin, tapos set aside. Palamigin po natin siya ng mga around 1 hour. Tapos, pag medyo malamig na po siya, saka po natin siya ulit priprituhin. Doon po natin ma-achieve yung sobrang crispy po na balat. So guys, habang nagpapalamig po tayo, napapakudan po tayo ng ating pork, gagawa na po tayo ng 2 versions of sauces. So, or sausawan or deep sauce. So, ang gagawin ko, magka-crush muna tayo ng garlic, tapos onions. Then, sa isang sausawan, maglalagay po ako ng soy sauce, ground black pepper, then a dash of brown sugar, and 4 pieces calamansi or citrus. If you guys don't have calamansi or citrus, you can use lemon as the alternative. Then mix them, and then on the other sauce, I just used white vinegar, chili flakes, sugar. You can also add a little bit of salt, guys, if you want. And then I added brown sugar, of course. So now, guys, since it's already an hour past, ilalagay na po natin or second fry na po natin ang ating pork. You want to make sure that your oil is really hot. So fry each side for 5 minutes to achieve perfect crispiness, guys. So just keep on flipping them, guys, on each side to make sure that it's fully crispy and it won't get burned. So when the color turns into golden yellow or golden brown, then that's already it. That's perfect. So you can already remove that from the oil and you can start eating. Alright guys, while we are waiting for this to be cooked, I would like to shout out our new friend, which is our new subscribers. I would like to say thank you to James Brian Mendoza, Roteza Luminario, Christian Cruz, Cristel de la Cruz Mabini, and of course Ronaldo. So thank you guys for your support. So here we go, guys, presenting our Super Crispy Lechon Belly Kawali or Lechon Kawali. So guys, sobrang golden brown niya, sobrang crispy yung itsura pa lang, para siyang nagchichicharon. So titikman na po natin ito, guys. So it's one of the most famous Filipino dish. And hear that sound. So there you go, guys. It's so crispy. The skin is so crispy, and that sound. But the meat inside is not dry. It's so juicy. You know that it's perfectly cooked because it's crispy outside, but it's juicy inside, and the meat is still white. So that's what I'm all after for. And guys, I couldn't wait to try this. It's so yummy. Let's just dip it in the sauce, and then let's hear that crispy sound. I could not resist the crispiness, so I will have another bite. So guys, if you enjoy my video, please consider subscribing and please turn on that bell notification for my weekly update and weekly video. Again guys, thank you for watching. Until my next video, have a good day. Bye.